Amigos, no olviden ajustarse sus cinturones de seguridad y permanecer sentados. Así es. Se ven bien.
Ready, bud?
It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? It's easy. Just sneak up on them and hump. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you.
Visitors on this planet.
Hippie.
Radiator Springs.
A champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
For you, my friend, only the best. Oh, yes. Oh, what tires. Now you look like a real race car. Guido, to the starting line. Okay.
Looking good. Yes, you guys. All right. Good luck, man.
Come on in, rookie.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief. I'll tell you when you pitch it hard.
Come on in, rookie. Yes. Now, ride the juice and make this the most glorious race of your life. Uno for the money, uno for the show. To make it elevated and the quality. Now listen. When your vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings, and as long as you're in management,